Elon Musk was born on the 28th of June in 1971. He was born in one of the three capital cities of South Africa called Pretoria. He is the oldest of three siblings. Elon Musk's father, Elon Musk, is a successful engineer, while May Musk, his mother, was a model and a nutritionist. His brother, Kimball Musk, is an environmentalist and a venture capitalist. Elon's sister, Tosca Musk, is an award-winning director and producer. Elon started school about a year in advance. He attended the Waterkloof House Preparatory School. He then graduated from Pretoria Boys High School. By the time Elon Musk was 10 years old, his parents got divorced. While Elon Musk was one of the intellectually sound students at school, he had a difficult time. He has very few friends from the Afrikaner culture. As Elon faced plenty of adversity growing up, he grew up to be a strong believer that adversity is essential to shape up an individual,